Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, steel wheels, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, wheel covers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.